Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Chad Davis. This is a 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude. As you can see, it's all black with black tow hooks. Come around, it does have two sets of tires, so these aren't the factory rims, so it has factory rims and rubber, and then also these as well for the winter. Come around to the back, we actually have the tires loaded up in here right now. You have a hitch, you have backup sensors. Pop this open, you got power tailgate. And yeah, as I said, the tires are in the back here. Lots of room. You got 4 sets of tires, no problem in here. So just shows the amount of room that you can have in here. Come around to the interior and I'll show you guys some more. Welcome back. Chad Davis here, going to show you the interior of this 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude. You have cruise control, you have Bluetooth, you have power mirrors with heated mirrors as well. You have Apple CarPlay, you have Android Auto, you have dual air zone control, you have heated seats, heated wheel, you have lane departure warning, and then also some park sensors you can turn on and off along with sport mode. You have select track all-wheel drive, where you can send it to sand mode, mud mode, snow mode, and then you put it in rock mode as well too. And then this vehicle also is flat towable with hill descent mode as well. My name is Chad Davis. Phone number 780-278-2423. Please give me a call. Have a good day.